Man, these service calls were brutal last night. I could barely see out of these dim headlights. You know what? I got a solution to this. Let me go do that real fast. Good thing I have a solution for that. Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. What you'll need for this kit is masking tape, window cleaner, microfiber towels, and a drill. So let's get started. So my first step is masking the headlight off. The next step we're going to do is wash the headlight. I'm going to start with the 1000 grit sanding pad included in the kit. Alright, to start we're going to go in a side-to-side uniform hand motion. Make sure it's done evenly. We're not pressing down too hard on this. We're going to keep it very light and even all the way down. Once you're done with that process, take a dry cloth and dry it off. Get all the water off. The headlight will appear very foggy, and this is a normal look once you've done this. So I don't know if you guys can see this right here. It's still decayed and very rough. Actually, there's some more right here. There it is. Normally you guys can run your fingers over it and it'll feel very rough and bumpy. So we're going to need to hit it one more time to get all that out with 1000 grit. You may need to push down a little bit during this process to get this stuff out because it's just slightly deeper than the rest of the pitting in the headlight. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. My next step is to hit the headlight with 3000 grit and attach. Smack. Let's repeat the same process we did with the 1000 grit. Again, lightly push, don't do any gouging or anything like that. Now the way I like to sand is to picture everything in squares. It's the easiest way I've found to sand. I did body work for several months and I've learned that from experienced guys. gonna go over it one more time just to make sure I got everything. It's nice and uniform. Okay, let's dry it off and see how it looks. At this point, you can see the one on the right, which I worked on, is clearer than the one on the left, which is sun-baked and oxidized. The next step is to attach the yellow polishing pad to the drill. Now add a dab of polish to a pad and start buffing. So now I'm going to spread the polish so it doesn't get thrown everywhere. Do not cut on the drill. For this, I'm going to use my low setting. At this point, you can almost see the finished product and how much better it looks. The last step will be the clear coat. Before the last step, we're going to clean it off with window cleaner one last time. Pretty good. The final step is going to be the headlight coating. What I found that works best is to evenly coat this area with the headlight coating. Now, I'm not going to talk during this process because it sets up relatively quickly. When you apply the headlight coating, make sure you overlap each layer that you put on. So just follow along and do roughly what I do. So now you see the finished product on the right side compared to the left. It looks tremendously better. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next.